I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicle sticks. We begin by carefully selecting high-quality birch logs, which are the preferred material due to their smooth grain and strength. These logs are sourced from responsibly managed forests. Next, the logs undergo a debarking process to remove all the outer bark, ensuring a clean start. Finally, the debarked logs are cut into shorter, more manageable segments, typically around 1 meter in length, preparing them for the next crucial step in the manufacturing process. After the logs are prepared, they are heated in hot water or steam to soften the wood fibers, making them easier to work with. Then, a rotary lathe slices the softened logs into continuous, thin sheets of veneer, often less than 1 millimeter thick. These long sheets are then fed into a cutting machine that punches out the individual popsicle stick shapes with incredible precision. This step ensures every stick has the exact dimensions, typically 114 millimeters long and 10 millimeters wide. Once the sticks are cut, they contain a significant amount of moisture, so they are transferred to large drying ovens. Here, they are dried at controlled temperatures until their moisture content is reduced to about 8%, preventing warping and mold. Following drying, the sticks undergo a crucial tumbling and polishing process. They are placed in large rotating drums with abrasive materials to smooth all edges and surfaces, ensuring each stick is perfectly smooth and splinter-free for safe use. The final stage involves a thorough quality control inspection. Each popsicle stick is visually inspected, and sometimes even machine scanned, to identify and remove any sticks with imperfections, such as splinters, discoloration, or incorrect sizing. Only sticks meeting strict quality standards proceed. Finally, the perfect sticks are precisely counted, typically into bundles of 100 or 1,000, and then securely packaged for shipping to various manufacturers and craft suppliers worldwide. This ensures a consistent, high-quality product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.